Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2015 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. I hope the camera isn't foggy. It's very, very humid, so I'm going to try to make the exterior as quick as possible. Absolutely gorgeous spec. That should be good. This thing. So, sport mode. So this is normal. Sport. You can hear the difference. Got navigation. Some nice ambient lighting in here. I'm gonna put the, you can stay there. Wow. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I locked it. That's all right. Bus seats. Oh. Yeah, I love this car. I do. Have backup camera. Right, manual mode, sport mode. Did you just hear? Did you guys just hear that? I'll say right off the bat, these are probably some of the nicest shift paddles in the market. I've said for a long time that the Maserati Ghibli has one of the best sounding 6-cylinders. It remains true. This one, of course, being the SQ4, a little bit more spice, better tune. So much torque. The Ghibli gets a bad rap. It really does. Does it deserve it? I don't know. But what I can tell you with 100% certainty is that bad rap has produced some pretty heavily depreciated cars. Like this one. Going in, people think because of the name and the brand, this is going to be a very expensive car. In reality, it was. Just 7 years ago, this car was probably very, very close to $100,000. Now, it's under 30 grand. time of filming, it's just under 28,000. That's it's a lot of car for the money. And though a lot of people say, sorry, I'm just readjusting the hat. A lot of people say the original price of the Ghibli is not worth it, and I agree with them. I think almost everybody can unanimously agree that this is a bargain at 30. Ooh, she's a rocket ship. Oh, what an impressive car. What an absolutely impressive car. And one that I've had my eye on. So I would definitely buy one of these. Definitely. Now that I've spent some time in one, for under $30,000, you can't go wrong. You absolutely can't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.